Hello guys and welcome to a brand new episode of Maxi channel. Whichever category you can think of when it comes to bikers, we got it right here. Of course, this episode is going to be something special because it's packed with all sorts of crazy situations. Make sure to sit tight for this one. And without any further ado, let's get these clips going. Biker got into a heated argument with a rude and a self-entitled driver. It came to a close call on a few occasions as the driver purposely tried to knock the biker off his bike. Tensions were flaring, and this is how it all looked like.
बट नहीं, भाई साहब ने और ज्यादा दबा दिया मेरे को। ये बंदे को साइड मिरर यूज करना करते करते रहा। इस बंदे के मिरर पे मैंने मारा, बुलाया, फिर भी ये बंदा नहीं सुना। आगे जाके भी और ज़्यादा सीन क्रिएट हो जाता है। ये वीडियो ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लोगों को शेयर कीजिए और इसको भी पता चला ये जो राइड ड्राइवर है, क्योंकि इसके साथ एक 11 साल का सो बेसिकली ये बंदे ने मेरे को यहाँ पे भी 3 बार ठोका मेरे मडगार्ड पे। लाइक अभी जब मैं यहाँ पे रुकता हूँ तो ये बंदे ने मेरे को 3 बार ठोक दिया था भाई। 3 बार मेरे मडगार्ड पे छुआया था। मैंने ब्रेक मारूंगा अभी, 3 बार मोड़ते मोड़ते मेरे बाइक को ठोका। 1 बार ठोका, अभी ये वापस से ठोकेगा। ये ठोका और ये वापस से ये मेरे को पूरा टच करके निकला। मैंने इसको रोकने का बहुत ट्राई किया।
I was almost certain the biker would resort to a mirror smash, given how the situation played out. One thing is for certain, a lot of bikers will definitely resort to mirror smashing here.
एक ये साइड मेरा ये पूरा डिवाइडर पे चढ़ जाता है अगर गलती से, अगर इस बंदे को लेते लेते रहा है और इसको भी 3 बंदों को टोटल मारते मारते रहा है। और इतना
Metal on the road, just like any other trash, can cause serious problems. And if we don't take care of our environment, no one else will for sure. Biker got nearly hit in this situation as he passed the driver who wanted to make a turn. Most importantly, he was doing just fine, but at the next traffic lights, the driver had something to say to him as well.
What? What?
I said you're lucky. I was going to make a left-hand turn. You come crossing that way.
What?
Nothing, man. Don't be stupid.
In this situation here, the biker simply wanted to pass a slow pickup truck, but he had other plans in store for him. Tailgating other vehicles comes with a great risk, especially if you're tailgating a biker. It only takes for an animal or a pedestrian to jump onto the road, and God knows what can happen from there on.
What the fuck are you doing?
2 bikers crashed, and all because one driver didn't know what to do or where he was going. Of course, you know you're dealing with a self-entitled driver because he didn't even want to apologize. As a matter of fact, he moved on like he didn't cause anything.
Eita porra! Vixe Maria! Eita porra!
Olha, mano, que maluco comédia do caralho, velho. Calma aí, irmão. Vamos levantar seu bagulho aí.
Ei, não vai atrás dele.
Que filho da puta, mano. Vai atrás desse maluco aí, mano.
Are you getting over or not? Okay.
A similar situation as in the previous encounter. Everyone sitting behind their wheels needs to check their mirrors at all times. If you avoid looking at them, an accident is bound to happen. Reckless driver that's in front of the biker was moving all over the road and cutting from lane to lane. Whenever you encounter a driver like that, make sure to keep a safe distance, or if you want to pass them, make sure it's a wide turn. This careless driver cut across 2 lanes without bothering to check if it's safe first, and if the biker was going only a bit faster, he'd crash for sure here.
Alright, okay. And here we are.
You can't expect anything good when drivers don't know how to read traffic signs. You can only expect to get hit by a clueless driver, and these clips clearly show us that a lot of drivers need to go back to driving school.
Leaving from here.
Tricky.
From drivers with poor lane discipline to the most reckless ones, this biker encounters all sorts of crazy situations. Make sure to pay close attention at the mistakes recorded by this biker and tend to be a much better driver than these guys here. He had an entire open lane on his left and he could have played it safe while making a pass. But no, this guy looked like he purposely wanted some trouble. Believe it or not, but the driver in front of the biker was casually reading a book while sitting behind his wheels. If you wish to cause an accident, well, behaving like this is the way. Overtaking other vehicles can be dangerous in general, especially if the vehicle in front of you is loaded and you can't quite see what's going on in the oncoming lane.
Oh le vélo. Oh putain, ouah. Oh putain. J'ai pas touché mais oh mais t'es nul mec.
Hello darkness my old friend. I've
T'aurais pu attendre 5 secondes de plus, ouais. Il est excité du volant, lui.
Didn't even look. Oh, what the?
And with this clip, we conclude another epic episode on Maxi channel. I hope you guys enjoyed watching and learning a thing or two from all the mistakes you saw. After all, why not learn on the mistakes of others if you already have the opportunity to do so? If you support my work, don't hesitate to leave a like and hit that subscribe button, because it will mean a lot. While you're at it, make sure to click on the bell button to stay up to date with all the latest content. Until the next episode, ride safe and take care.